Help shape the future of Lorton. The Mount Vernon District Supervisor's Office, Fairfax County Department of Planning and Development, Renaissance Planning, and members of the Lorton Task Force will hold an open house to showcase ideas, visual displays, and ongoing work to make Lorton a more vibrant and active place to live, work, and visit. At the direction of the Fairfax County Board of Supervisors, a comprehensive plan amendment is being considered that will provide guidance on placemaking opportunities and ways to connect the area's unique cultural, recreational, and transportation assets. Join us for our community open house on Saturday, July 15th between 10 a.m. and 1 p.m. at the Lorton Community Center and Library, and help shape the future of Lorton.